Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about the latest Polestar news as its stock has popped quite a bit. We are going to be talking about Gores Guggenheim, the special purpose acquisition company that is being traded on the stock market as GGPI, that will be doing a reverse merger to bring Polestar onto the stock market. And this stock has incredible potential. And I think you're going to get a lot out of this video because you're going to see this huge potential and why the stock popped today. Give me that big thumbs up before we do get started to keep me alive on YouTube. Don't forget to also hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Share this page with others so we can continue to grow the channel. I do have those very nice promotions down below to get you some free stocks. And if you stay to the end of this video, I can show you detailed information on how you can get those free stocks. Now, without further ado, let's talk about Polestar. Polestar is one of my favorite electric vehicle companies. It is a Swedish-based company that did branch off of Volvo, but is partnered up with Geely Holdings, which is a Chinese-based company that is manufacturing a lot of their vehicles right now, except for the next future Polestars that will be made in the United States in South Carolina, which will be the Polestar 3. Now, that being said, Polestar as a company has enormous, huge potential in the EV market and in the EV space because they have that huge backing by Volvo, and they are produced all around the world. It's the only EV play that's actually sold in all continents around the world, in the US, in Europe, and in the Asian market. The only other electric vehicle company, pure play, that is doing this is Tesla. Now, that being said, Polestar has enormous potential, and I have been watching this and following this stock for quite some time, for the past several months, and this stock is my sleeping giant. Polestar has just been acquisitioned by Gores Guggenheim. This is a special purpose acquisition company that will be doing the reverse merger later this year, potentially around May, June of this year, when the merger date will happen. Now, at this point in time, the shares of GGPI, the special purpose acquisition company, will then be converted to Polestar to a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you do buy GGPI, Gores Guggenheim right now, you are actually buying the Polestar stock. So once the merger does happen, the ticker symbol will change. It will be PSNY for Polestar. However, right now we have received enormous, incredible news that the GGPI stock has popped, and it has went up quite a bit, over 12% just today alone, because we are starting to see the sleeping giant awake. In my own opinion, I do believe that Polestar is a very good investment long term, especially if you do want EV exposure. But the reason why it popped today is because they had a very big partnership with Hertz, the rental car company. The rental car company Hertz has just made a very big deal with Polestar that it will be purchasing a huge order of 65,000 electric vehicles from Polestar that will be delivered in the next 5 years. This is a potential of $3 billion worth of revenue for this company, an enormous, huge opportunity moving forward. I do believe that Polestar is one of the best electric vehicles on the market right now. They are selling, as I mentioned, all around the world. Its most popular is the Polestar 2. It's a four-door sedan hatchback that is very comparable to the Tesla Model 3. However, it has a very, very good price, entry-level price for the mass and for a lot of consumers to buy. So far, you can get the single motor version of the Polestar 2 in under $40,000. It's the only electric vehicle that is so cheap that other people can afford it. In the single motor variant, it can go up to 270 miles, 0 to 60 in about 7 seconds with 231 horsepower. Polestar is very strategic in the vehicles that it makes, and they did want to make a vehicle for the common person. Now, they are going to be making more vehicles in the near future. Just in the next 3 years, they are going to be releasing 3 additional vehicles. The next one will be Polestar 3. That will be its first SUV vehicle. It will have over 300-mile range, 0 to 60 in less than about 5 seconds, and it will be competing against Porsche. So Polestar will be making the Polestar 3 vehicle, the SUV, in South Carolina in the exact same plant that Volvo uses right now to make the XC60 and the XC90. I have made other videos as well that the Polestar is making its O2, its oxygen vehicle. Check that out as well. It's an incredible vehicle, sports car vehicle that actually does come with a drone. And this company is going to make it very big, in my own opinion. They have very nice technology. Just looking at its informatics system, they are using a Google Android operating system that, according to Car Enthusiast, is one of the best on the market. Very responsive, very fast, and it is quite good. Now, the vehicle that you are getting, since it is Volvo-based and a Swedish-based company, it does have that Scandinavian look. However, it is very elegant, and this company is very safe and will be very efficient. In addition to this, this company does have a very nice reputation for making very nice quality vehicles. And most importantly, it does make a carbon neutral footprint by the year 2030 because all of its parts in this vehicle are recyclable and can make the next generation vehicle. So if you haven't already, take a look at Polestar right now, trading as GGPI, Gores Guggenheim, as it is a very nice potential of a stock to hold long term. And I did just want to show you how its stock has been doing. Again, Gores Guggenheim, ticker symbol GGPI, today is trading at $12.82 and actually has gone up past $13 at one point, but it is up more than 12%. From its low today to its high point, it has actually gone up. In the past 5 days, we are seeing a very nice increase in this stock. And this is just based on that big news from Hertz purchasing 65,000 electric vehicles. Most of these will be the Polestar 2 variant. And again, Polestar has announced that they will have a potential of $3 billion revenue. Incredible growth for this company moving forward. Now, Polestar has also said that by the year 2024, they will be cash flow positive. Just last year alone, they did produce 29,000 of its vehicles of Polestar 2 most commonly. This year, they are projecting that they will be making 65,000 electric vehicles. That is accounting for the supply chain issues and the chip shortages, as this company says that it can still produce this many amount of vehicles for this year alone. As I mentioned, they will be producing 3 new vehicles in the coming futures. So their stock right now is dirt cheap with a valuation of $20 billion. Right now, this price of the stock is an incredible deal. If you look up in the past 1 month, this stock is starting to get some life into it, but it has actually been stable for quite some time, trading right under $11. That is the sweet spot to get under this stock. If you can get in under $11, it's an amazing steal of a deal. However, this is still a very nice price point, especially if you can get this under $12, but anything under that $11 is a very good deal. Let me just show you what the stock has done in the past. In the month of November was a very good time for all EV stocks. Polestar in particular, it did go up to $15.33, and it has tested anywhere from $13 to $15. But in my own opinion, I do think that this stock has very nice futures ahead of itself. In my own opinion, I do believe that this stock should be trading between $16 and $18, and this will be happening once that merger happens. It could go even higher than that, as I do think that this stock, again, has very nice futures ahead of itself. Year to date, this stock is only up about 7%, and that is because of this pop that we had. In the past, in February, we did test a high of $12.22. So we are right now testing a new high. We will see, is this stock going to continue going up, or will we have a new stabilization? Right now, we have had a stabilization at this stock at about $10.50. But anything under $11, in my own opinion, is a great deal. And looking back in the past 1 year, this is a special purpose acquisition company, and SPACs normally trade at $10. So your risk and downward pressure on this stock is not that high. However, this does have a very high reward and a very high potential of going up, in my own opinion. But always do your own research, always do your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stock. But I do believe in Polestar. It is my sleeping giant. I have actually been holding this stock for quite some time. It is my 4th largest holding EV stock. I do own Tesla, Lucid Motors, NIO, and GGPI, which is Polestar, are my top 4 holdings of EV stocks, but an incredible opportunity in this company. And I definitely think that they have very nice futures ahead of itself. If you did like this video and if you did learn something new, I'd appreciate if you can give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Share this page with others so we can continue to grow the channel. But most importantly, take advantage of those free links down below to get you some free stocks using my link down below to Moomoo. If you put in any amount of money, they'll give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. which is an incredible opportunity to get up to $17,500. In addition to this Webull link down below, if you put in at least 1 penny, we'll give you up to 5 free stocks as well, each valued up to $3,000. So that is an additional opportunity to get up to $15,000. Take advantage of these huge opportunities, but most importantly, thank you so much for watching, for supporting the channel. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your family, enjoy your friends, and have a great week. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.